Well, good evening, everyone. This evening is looking a little bit damp across the Mahoning Valley. Let's talk first about this cool picture I posted on Facebook a little while ago. This is of something called ice donuts, and I won't go through the whole explanation, but basically this is from Avon Lake up near Cleveland, and this picture is courtesy of Fox 8 up there in Cleveland. Head over to my Facebook page, Meteorologist Eric Wilhelm, on Facebook for the nitty-gritty on what these are all about. Kind of a cool picture, and it makes me hungry for some donuts this evening. Let's take a look at temperatures here at the dinner hour. These are valid as of about 5:30 this evening. It's 35 in Austin town. It's 37 or 38 in areas closer to downtown Youngstown. Struthers at 38, 38 in Niles. You get the idea. It's in the upper 30s just about everywhere. It rained a little quicker than we thought today. It also didn't get quite as warm as we thought today. It got colder than it was supposed to last night, and then with the clouds rolling in, the warm-up today was kind of short-circuited. So instead of the mid-40s today, most of us did stop in the upper 30s this afternoon, and we did have some raindrops, of course, that pushed in. Taking a look at the radar across the northeast here at the 5 o'clock hour. A lot of this isn't quite reaching the ground in New York and central Pennsylvania, but of course we have had some rain that's reached the ground, even a few wet snowflakes out there this afternoon associated with this band pushing through right now. And there could be a couple of additional showers. These are out across central Ohio as we speak, and a couple of additional showers through this evening. But I do think that as we roll on into the overnight hours, this dry air out here in Indiana and Illinois will work in, and it looks pretty uneventful for the vast majority of the overnight. Here's the satellite picture showing some clearing south of I-70 in Ohio this evening. It's not out of the realm of possibility that the sky goes partly cloudy for tonight. It won't be cloudy the entire night, but partly to mostly cloudy on average for tonight. Again, after kind of a damp evening, I do think that precipitation pushes away. Here's a look at a computer model showing how things should transpire tonight. As I put this in motion, notice one more band of showers pushing through this evening. Then not much will happen after that as we roll through the overnight. This is at about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Not much going on, so as the kids get up and around tomorrow morning, it's going to be chilly, but nothing unusual at all for February, and we should be rain and snow-free at the start of the day tomorrow. That probably does change. By the afternoon, some snow showers pushing back in to northeast Ohio and northwestern Pennsylvania. As we take a look at the computer models that'll take us out into the latter stages of the week and into the weekend, let's start with Saturday. Friday, more snow showers for the afternoon and evening. Saturday looks a lot like Friday with snow showers, although Saturday they could occur at just about any time. These snow showers indicated by the green on our map here across eastern Ohio, western Pennsylvania. Big trough of low pressure setting up over the east for the weekend. And under a trough of low pressure, typically it's colder than average. Typically we see some precipitation because the air is unstable. These snow showers will pop up from time to time right through Saturday night into the day on Sunday, although by Sunday afternoon a lot of them will fade away. As far as snow accumulation, still looking at pretty minor accumulations of snow in most of the Mahoning Valley, maybe an inch or less when you add up all these snow showers that will occur Friday into Saturday night. Now up in the snow belts, some lake enhancement probably does lead to some accumulating snow there. Lake Geauga, Ashtabula County, eastern Cuyahoga County, maybe northern Trumbull County. It's not out of the realm of possibility that some of those places get several inches worth of snow before all is said and done. Early next week, if you watch my video from this morning, I showed you the same storm coming our way from Monday night into Tuesday. This probably does start as rain very late Monday night, and then a transition over to snow seems likely by midday on Tuesday. Still too early to say how much. The precipitation might just push away and snow accumulations could be minor, but if the system slows down, the cold air meets up with some leftover moisture, well, there could be a few inches worth of snow out of this by Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. If we don't see accumulating snow out of that one, we very may well see some accumulating snow at the end of next week. Look at this storm on the computer models. This is a Thursday night and Friday morning. Whopper of a storm coming east. This, again, probably does produce rain for a time before a changeover to snow occurs at the tail end of this storm. This is a week from now, so the details still need to be ironed out. But potential for two fairly significant storms, one Tuesday, another one Friday of next week. Between those two, some parts of the region will probably see some accumulating snow. 21 News on tonight at 6 and 11. I'll have more details on your forecast. And if you're up and about tomorrow morning, check out 21 News at 5 and 6 in the morning. Jess will be on with a fresh take on your forecast, and she'll also be on at noon tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Valentine's Day.